Okay, so I'm here with amazing Megan right here. So Megan, tell me, everybody who is watching, how is your life?
Wow.
Little different from crypto. Like, are you happy or not happy? I know everybody going to ask you what's your favorite token and everything, but let's do different. What do you do to get out your brain from crypto?
I wasn't expecting this question. Actually,
I know.
It's a really good question because I often just don't get out of my brain from crypto. It's like live, breathe, and eat this place, but I absolutely love it. It like gives me joy to wake up and do my job. And we have a lot of ups and downs, and you know it's tiring because we're on the road 24/7. But like, I wouldn't trade it for the world. Like I'm so happy to be here, and I just like I'd wake up every day super excited about the world. And I think that everybody should try to find something that fuels them that much and that makes them that happy, right? Like cryptophil. I'm super happy to be on your show right now. I've been watching your YouTube. Everybody should follow cryptophil who's watching this right now. If you don't, like, amazing. Yeah.
I'm waking up from 4 a.m. to work with crypto because I have 2 kids, wife, you know, the wife doing that. And the wife was after like against me, like, what are you doing? Crypto. And I say, you cannot understand the love for crypto, you know? You're doing something for the world, especially I'm doing a lot of donation in India, doesn't matter. And then, just like you explained, I just fucking love it. Yeah. Sorry about my language. Yeah, I just freaking love it, you know? Like, you go there, you do it with enthusiasm. I think here, I wish everybody can come to this crypto conference because it's something, we speak all the same language. You know, you go on the bus or on the subway and then people just speak rubbish, you know, talking about CNN. I say, are you kidding me? This is different world here. Okay, so what do you do to look so good? Do you have special diet? You work out?
Hey man, this is the greatest interview of today. I'm feeling like a star here now. Well, yeah, so actually we have a fitness background and we haven't worked out in like a week and a half. Usually our routine at home is we get up, we go to the gym, we really take care of our health. I think it's essential for your mind to be sharp to keep going to the gym and to work out or do whatever you like to do for exercise. Like oftentimes my ideas flow and I stay sharp by moving. I think you have to keep moving to have that emotion. I think who was it? Tony Robbins said, yeah, he said something about like move to feel, or I don't know. It was some kind of quote, but when you keep moving, things happen, magical things. So I think it's important to take care of your health, and not enough people focus on that too. You gotta go touch some grass sometimes.
Many times. So okay, remember that. So if you're stuck in your computer 24/7, just turn off a little bit, get some sleep. Okay. Arnold Schwarzenegger says, don't sleep 8 hours. All right, just sleep 6 because you need to sleep faster. You know, because so you can have more time for your life. So don't forget to enjoy your life, do your workouts, and then go back to crypto. And of course, make some love with the loved one. All right, that's about it. Anything else you want to say for the world before we get out?
Yeah, we're at such an exciting time, and we're literally shaping the narrative, and yeah, we're all helping change the world, all of us together, and it's really special to see. And there's so many amazing sides of crypto. So don't get stuck on the negativity. Tune out the noise. Don't watch the news, and don't look at charts 24/7. I mean, like, zoom out. Look at where this is going long term, and enjoy the connections, and just like go for whatever it is you want to go for. Go follow those dreams. Go fight for them. And you know, if you put in the work, you'll make it, man. So. And
my motto says, life is too short to be stuck in one place. Go and explore the world. Thank you so much. I highly appreciate it. Let me give you a hug. All right, guys. See you in the next one. Goodbye.